Good morning, beautiful people. Today is like November something. Let me check. Let me be specific. Today is November the 4th, and I have not talked to y'all in a minute, and I'm so sorry that I do y'all like this. And y'all know my life is just really chaotic. Y'all know I'm in medical school, so y'all know life is kind of hectic for me. So it's like I'll have intentions, but the intentions just don't be following through sometimes. But I really do enjoy YouTube, and I miss it. And I notice how much I really miss YouTube every time I take my little breaks. And I don't know. I guess because I get frustrated with YouTube because it's so different than other platforms like Instagram and TikTok, because you don't get instant gratification like you do with those other platforms. Like, you have 100 people liked your picture in like 20 seconds. You don't get that with YouTube. I mean, unless you're super, super popular, but I think that's also what draws me to YouTube, because it's more of a project and I have to really play the long game, and I have to make sure that my content is quality and that is something that people actually enjoy watching. Because, you know, like I said, YouTube is not an overnight thing. I mean, it could be. Like the Van girl, I remember she just popped up on my TL one day and she had 1 million followers and she only had one video. I don't know, but that's crazy. That's a whole different story. Anyway, so just to kind of get you guys up to speed, I'm still in 3rd year. I've done my surgery rotation, I've done my pediatrics rotation. We can talk more about that later, but I am currently doing a project for a primary care program that I'm a part of. And this program, it kind of just gives you a lot more exposure to what a primary care physician does. So if you do decide to go through with being a primary care physician, then you'll be prepared for sure. And even if you do decide that you don't want to do primary care, a lot of those skills that you learn in a primary care environment are transferable to like surgical fields, and just having good bedside manners. Like, everyone can always learn from a primary care physician, period. Like, I don't care. That's just my opinion. I mean, I'm also not even a real doctor, so I guess whatever. But we have a presentation today. So I've been working on this project for like 4 weeks now, and I finally presented today. But I have a professional development session in a few minutes, so I'm about to head there, and then I'll probably study my presentation like one more time, do like one good run through, and then I don't know why my car sounded like that, but we'll do one good run through, and then we'll head to the facility where I have to do my presentation. I'm excited to take you guys with me, and I am excited that I am back making content and just doing what I like to do. So stay tuned, keep watching, and just let's see how the rest of this day unfolds. Okay, y'all, so I am just getting out of, I feel like y'all so close to me. I'm just getting out of my session, and I did not have intentions on crying today, but now I am thankful for setting spray, because I did cry. I don't know if you can really see it, but I'm sure you probably can. Anyway, I did cry, and yeah, it just, like, having to go and deal with emotions that you don't really realize are there. Well, like, how do I put this? Like, you know the emotions are there, but like having to deal with the root and why they manifest in the way that they do, like in your life, that is so uncomfortable. Like, it's almost like it's so emotionally uncomfortable that it's almost painfully uncomfortable. Like, it's just really trying to get to the bottom of why do I feel this way, and like pulling back those layers, and oh my gosh, like baby, we gonna see some growth by graduation, I can tell you that right now. I'm still on campus. I just realized that some of my friends are taking their shelf exam today. I don't have a shelf exam. I have one next month though. But Yeah, my friends are taking their shelf exam, so they are in the library, and it's 11:38. So they honestly should be wrapping up soon. I was trying to decide, do I want to wait for them so I can see my friends, or do I just want to take my tail home, touch my makeup up, eat me some food, and all of the things, because Miss Mama's is, I feel open and exposed right now. So I think it is best for me to go home and get me together before I move forward with my day, because, oh Lord. Maybe we can talk about this at some other time, but today not gonna be it. We just, again, focusing on that project. We're about to go run it, so let's go. One of them ones. Glass Tupperware or nothing, okay? Throw that plastic away, or you don't have to throw it away, but if you're gonna be heating it up in the microwave, you need to get some glass Tupperware. It's a good investment and it lasts for a long time. I think I've had this Tupperware going on like 2 years now, and I think it's Rubbermaid. I don't know, child, but so I'm just about to eat my food and watch a little bit of YouTube, and then then we're gonna work on the project. On occasion for entertainment. They even leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would have got in less trouble just going with them. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at their first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming. I made it to the clinic, and I'm about to go in and do like the tech stuff, set up, blah 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 blah, and then hopefully all goes well. Finally back home, y'all, and my shirt is so raggedy. I didn't wash this thing to oblivion. The TV is kind of loud, but that's probably also why I'm screaming, because I'm too lazy to get up and get the remote. But what we are about to do, I have this little thingamabob from Amazon. I have an Amazon storefront. So I have these little things, like everything that I ever mentioned in a YouTube video or TikTok or Instagram. If you can find it on Amazon, 9.5 times out of 10, I'm gonna put it in my little bio. But to edit this video that I started working on this morning, I filmed it this morning. It's actually this makeup look I can't speak. Is my blood sugar low or something? Like, what's tea? Like, why can't I talk today? But this lip is super ugly now. It's gone. Somebody asked me, was I coming out tonight? The doll is not coming out tonight. I can't do it. I can't even do it. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, like I was saying, my friend, well, first of all, let me tell you. So, one of my close friends that's in med school with me, y'all done met her on here before, Tia. So, Miss Tia is out of town. I had plans for the weekend, but the plans got canceled, unfortunately. So, I made new plans, and those plans involve staying at home. And I do not have any intentions of actually leaving my house tomorrow, besides to go to the gym. And after that, I'm coming back home and doing whatever else I gotta do. I plan on doing like some self-care stuff. I need to take this gel polish off my toes. I kind of want to experiment with doing my toes at home. I just don't feel like sitting in nobody's nail shop tomorrow. I can't do it. And I need to take my hair down and wash it and condition it, and I need to dye the extensions black. It's just so many things that I need to do. I need to finish organizing this stuff so I can put it on Poshmark, and I will link my Poshmark below. It only has 3 items on it right now, but hopefully there will be 30 by the time y'all see this video. So I gotta do that, and I need to look over some stuff for school so I can start my new rotation Monday. It's just so many things that need to be done that I just need to stay my tail in the house this weekend. But I said all that to say No, I am not going out tonight because I'm just not in the mood. I don't feel like sitting in nobody's face, blowing no hookah, and taking um green tea shots. I'm not in the mood for that today. So we just gonna kick it at the house this weekend. Project did go well. My presentation that I was telling y'all about. Oh my eye. My presentation went very well. I think it was also contributed to the fact that I did practice a good 2.5 times, like full practice, and going through my notes, editing my notes, making sure everything that I wanted to say was in the notes, so I did not miss anything. There was something that I wanted to elaborate on a little more, or if somebody had a question, I had my sources to back it up. I think really preparing for presentations is what makes or breaks the presentation. So that was cool. All of my group members, we all did well. Everybody killed it. Killed it. And one of my classmates, I told her, I said, girl, you basically told me I need to step up my PowerPoint game because I wish y'all could see it. I don't know. I really wish that I could have shown y'all what her PowerPoint looked like. It was just super cute, and like the designs were so freaking creative, and I personally have never seen a PowerPoint like that. I've seen some good PowerPoints, but she ate that. She really ate that up. And I was like, you basically just told me I need to step my cookies up because they crumbling bad. And next time I just got to be on my P's and Q's for my next PowerPoint, period. Which is probably going to be sometime this next module. I mean, this next rotation, if they make us do like a short presentation or a chalk talk or something like that. I don't know, child. I have no idea of what goes on this rotation. That's why I got to do my research this weekend and ask the girls what's going on, what are the expectations, like what are some experiences. That is very important. Talking to y'all classmates. If you don't do nothing else, talk to your classmates. But I feel like I'm rambling, so yeah, I think I should probably just end this segment of the video right here before I just ramble myself into a continuous loophole of doing nothing but rambling to y'all.